I miss filming, like I miss talking to myself while recording. Like, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's just get started with this video. Basically, today's video is all about iOS 16 hacks, new features that some of you may have, but some of you may not. I have the better version, which has some crazy changes to it. So I just wanted to record and talk to y'all about it because I'm a little scared now. I'm not gonna lie. Trust no one. I feel like this is like the major thing because what the heck? Basically, all messages, iMessages, you can unsend messages and edit messages after you send it. Like, what are we doing? This is not Instagram. Basically, you can send a message. I'm be like, hey, it's my server. This is embarrassing. Anyways, I would just hold it and then you could just click undo. The fact that you can unsend messages now, that's just crazy to me. I can't. That won't sit right with me. You can also edit messages. You can unsend for up to 15 minutes. And you can edit messages for I think however long. But it's gonna say delivered dash edited, but it's just like, it's scary. Next thing you can do is basically mark messages / threads as unread. It's the whole thread. You can't mark a specific message as unread. You can read something, then slide over and mark it as unread. So what are we doing? We're just endorsing. I don't know what Apple is doing, but I don't know. But yeah, you can customize your lock screen for once. We have more control over that. So you can basically change the font. You can change the font on the. You can change the font on the dates, the time, the color. You can add widgets as well on your home screen of things that you want to pop up there, like maybe your battery percentage or the time or the weather, the news. You can just have it as widgets on your home screen. Along with that, you can have different home screens, so you can just swipe over and have different ones that you want. So maybe for school you want a certain lock screen, and then when you get home you want a certain lock screen. And that's really cool though. We're very late on the wave. Android's been on this, so it's about time. Another major update is notifications. Basically, notifications roll in from the bottom now and they don't take over your whole screen, which I actually really like because I like looking at my lock screen. Next thing with lock screens is basically the photo that you have in your lock screen, like the AI sort of outlines it, so it brings the photo forward in front of the clock or something like that. It's a little thing. So, and now you can finally open your phone sideways with Face ID, which I think is really cool. You can take a photo from your gallery as long as it has like an object and a solid background, and you can make it into a PNG and you can save it to your notes or message it to somebody. I'm not gonna use that, but I mean, it's cool nonetheless. The weather app is finally upgraded and looks 10 times better. Probably have some more details about the actual weather. Like, dudes being too vague last update. It's definitely more updated now. You can just click on it and have more information about it throughout the day. It's like at a certain time, you can see how much the temperature is gonna be. Stuff like that. Like Apple, why weren't you already doing this? Haptic touch is finally here. So basically haptic touch, I don't know how to describe it. Just go to your settings and turn it on and then you'll notice a difference. It's up to you if you like it or not. I personally like a haptic touch. Now we're gonna make this part quick. It's just a little what's my iPhone video for the nosy people out there. All right, so this is my lock screen. It's just background and it just says what's stopping, because sometimes I need that reminder. I definitely think it's important to have like good quotes and like just make your phone, you're on your phone so much, so I think it's important to make it a good place to look at, something that's motivated. See, we're gonna start with the bottom: messages, FaceTime, and settings. I don't FaceTime anybody. If I FaceTime you, I really care about you, because I personally do not. I don't like FaceTiming at all. So you gotta make an appointment. If you want to FaceTime me, make an appointment. Don't just ring me up because I'm not gonna answer. Okay, I don't do that. You could text me. Anyways, up here is just the calendar. One of my favorite quotes, Pinterest. You can take pictures for that. Camera, photos, app store. Y'all know all this. And this is just the black folder. This is all the apps that iPhone come with. It is important, but it's just like, I don't want to look at that all the time. And you swipe over, have more pictures, more folders. So this first picture just says my daily reminders. Remember why you started, spread love and positivity. Under it just says you don't have to be perfect to be loved. Nice little reminders. If y'all want the links to these pictures, if you want to have it on your wallpaper too, just let me know. I name my folders with an emoji. I just think it's very aesthetically pleasing. This first folder is my social media folder. We're gonna skip over the things that you already know, like email. Dang, 3,000 emails? I'm drawn. Anyways, YouTube. Y'all on YouTube right now, you should subscribe. TikTok. Yeah, okay. But follow me on TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, because I post on YouTube like once a month. But Instagram, I post on there like every day, so on my story at least. meee, that's for like college stuff. You want to connect with your roommates or other people on campus, whatever. Pinterest is like the holy grail social media. I feel like it's underrated. Like, it's so peaceful on Pinterest. It's just, I just go on here for like outfit inspiration or something like that, or fancy quotes. Dust Mesh was it back in middle school, so I just have it for all the old videos. Instagram followers, because if you're gonna unfollow me, I'm just gonna unfollow you back. I don't care if it's like petty to still think about that, but personally, you're not a celebrity. If you unfollow me, I'm going to unfollow you back. It's all love, but no. This next folder is the editing folder because I'm a YouTuber. I can't even call myself a YouTuber the way I barely post, but I don't care. I'm a YouTuber. Pronto, which is what I use the most for my thumbnails. Video Leap if I need to edit on my phone. Documents for uploading music. Background Eraser, Looper, Insta Stories. This is when I promote stuff stuff on my story. Like, I'm doing a horrible job at this. Let me try to actually show y'all instead of just saying it. So let's say, for example, I was promoting this video. I posted this video on YouTube. This is just what I would use to just add some photos, add the thumbnail on top. Lens Buddy, this is when I'm taking pictures by myself. It just sets up a timer. And I really don't even take pictures like that, so I really don't use it. I think the actual camera does have this though, so I don't even know why I have this app. Camera Connect, iMovie, Pixar. Next is my lifestyle folder. Then Zillow, because I like looking at $1 million home, just to imagine. Daily horoscope, I'm a Leo. I don't really heavily believe in it, but it's just very fun because they say like such general stuff that anybody can relate to, so I don't know, it's just funny. Then iBooks, because you know sometimes I read on my phone. Notion is just another notes app, but I can't get into it. Right next to that is my actual notes app. Planet Fitness for the one time a month I go there. Next is a money folder. Sorry, this is where I sell things. If you're a real one, most of y'all probably came from my how to make money as a teenager videos. That's an easy quick money. Okay, I just sold some. I have to ship some out now. I think about it. Next up is Sweatcoin. I also mentioned this in my how to make money videos. You just save up coins while you walk. You can get gift cards and stuff like that. PayPal, Amazon, Shein. I don't know why I still have this. I already graduated high school. Let me just delete that. Anyways, Uber, DoorDash. That's where all my money goes. Future Points, another way to make money on your phone. If you want to know, check out my how to make money videos. Also, I promise my pillows are not dirty. This is like the side. Dosh. Google Rewards is basically do surveys and get money, coins here and there. Pennies. Rakuten gives you cash back when you online shop. Cash App, Fashion Nova, McDonald's, The Crib. Okay, if you don't have the McDonald's app on your phone, they give out free food just for having the app on your phone. So I made sure I downloaded that real quick. Like literally it's free food every week. And then this is my YouTube folder. vidIQ just gives me info on like how to make my videos to like rank more. Sub count, right now I'm at 4,700 subscribers. This is a YouTube tracker. How much hours are people watching my videos for? I have 2,072 watch time hours, which is pretty cool. People have watched me talk for 2,000 hours. That's actually scary. What? The next up is YouTube Studio. I'm not gonna click that, but there's just more analytics, stuff like that. Next up is the school folder. I have to delete all of this stuff because this is all like high school stuff. My gaming folder, because social media is boring here and there. To be honest, Instagram is boring as heck nowadays. Twitter is funny sometimes, and YouTube is boring sometimes too. So I just play games. I faithfully play episodes. Next is Lumosity. This is just like a brain game. Among Us. I've gotten back into Among Us now. It could be fun. I'm a trash imposter though, I'm not gonna lie. I always fall. Roblox, Subway Surfers, Slither.io. Smash is very addictive. You just throw balls at glass. And that's really it. Over to my next slide. This is the workout folder that I don't use. Now this is my driver's license folder, driver's practice test. This is my music folder. I have Meee, which is basically YouTube, but you can listen to music, like you can exit the app and all that. Now this is the little entertainment folder. I have Netflix on here, Roku, and HBO Max. And now this is the Locket app. I always have Lockets for all my friends, but I put it on the next slide just because I feel like Locket is just another form of social media. It's just another way of keeping up to date with people, and sometimes I don't want to see what other people are doing, so I just had to put it on the next slide. Peace of mind, but I don't want to expose everybody. Let me just expose myself. It's just where you send pictures to your friend and it just pops up on their home screen or their lock screen, whatever. This is my last slide. Just 13 reminders. You can pause it if you want to read it yourself because I don't want to talk that much. And then the one underneath it just says do not give up. I know I have more apps. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I don't like the little app library thing. I just feel like it's all over the place. I have so much apps on my phone. What am I looking at? I'm gonna edit this down to make this video quick because I hate long videos. It's pretty boring. No, I mean, it's a phone, so. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the little, at least that I know of or that I care about. This is the iOS 16 little update. Subscribe before heading out. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you made it this far to the end. I gotta see who really made it this far to the end. This is my go-to, but the green heart emoji. Yeah, I think that's funny. I'm tired of hearing myself talk. I'll see you in the next one if you subscribe. If not, that's totally fine. Wait
a minute. Who are you?